Hey, my name is Bryce Olson. I'm really looking forward to this year's What's the Fix event. I learned how to fight cancer differently. I partnered with academic cancer researchers to pinpoint what was fueling my disease at a molecular level, and then I used that to stop it. Basically match up with treatments that are less toxic and more targeted, more effective. I'm looking forward to sharing my story with the rest of you at this event and hopefully helping other people who are fighting disease open the same kind of new doors. So look forward to seeing you on May 17th in Austin, and let's collectively impact change.